Let me ask you something. How many times have you looked back at a trade and thought, why did I even enter there? You saw the idea, you waited for the zone, and you thought you had the confluence. And then, boom, stop out again. If you're tired of that cycle, then click the link below and keep watching. This might be the most important video in this entire series, because I'm going to show you the 3 most common entry mistakes that are quietly killing your trades and exactly how to fix them. Let's dive right into it. Mistake number 1, entering at the POI without confirmation. This is the biggest one. Most traders treat a POI like a trade signal. They see a fair value gap or an order block or a key level and just enter. But here's the truth. The POI is not the entry. It's just the location. The trap is this. You're buying into a zone that hasn't confirmed anything. That's like walking into traffic because the light might turn green. What you want to do instead, wait for confirmation inside the POI. Look for the market to reject, to shift structure, for a failure to displace. That's your green light. Which brings us to mistake number 2. Waiting too long and missing the move. Because after getting burned on early entries, most traders do the opposite. They hesitate, they wait to see more confirmation, they want extra confluence. So they wait, and by the time they feel safe, the move is already gone. The entry is late, the R&R is ruined. And even if the trade works, you can't hold it with confidence. So what's the fix? Know your model. For me, that's the CISD model. I know what compression looks like, I know what a sweep looks like, and I know what displacement looks like. When I see that, I enter. No extra thinking, no delay, just execution. Mistake number 3, flipping bias mid-trade. This one destroys traders. You enter short, but the market pushes up a little, so you second guess, close early, and switch to long. Then it reverses and hits your original target without you. Sound familiar? It used to crush me until I started locking in my bias before I looked for entries. Bias first, always. Every setup starts with a clean break of structure, a sweep, and displacement that aligns with the higher time frame flow. Once I have that, I don't switch. I only look for setups in that direction. If it doesn't give me one, I don't trade. Simple as that. And that's the real secret most traders miss. Winning trades aren't about predicting price. They're about waiting for the right confirmation at the right level in the right direction. That's how you stop guessing and start winning. So a quick recap. Don't enter just because you're at the POI. Don't wait so long that the move is gone, and never flip bias in the middle of a setup. Now, if you're wondering, but how do I know when smart money is actually entering? That's exactly what we're going to break down in the next video. I'm going to show you how I track real smart money entries using price, structure, and my real-time indicator, so you can finally feel confident about your setups. Click the link now, and let's dive straight into that training.